count, I'm gonna call here on stage Direk Chris, along with our stars, Jay Aineza, Direk Balidulo, and Zaijan Haranilla, to present our poster here. Yan, may cover talaga, pa-suspense, di ba? Excited na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo yan? Alright, with our stars here na ready na to reveal our poster. And let's invite all of our cast here as well. Everyone please rise para makita naman. Our cast here is gonna reveal their hard work, yung representation, yung poster ng very wonderful series nila. Are you guys ready? Is our cast ready? Yeah. On my count, 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we have it, ang official poster ng bagong Pure Gold series na si Sol at si Luna. Grabe ang ganda, di ba? Actually, nung pag-pull down nila ng kurtina, sobrang starstruck ako na wala akong masabi. Ang ganda talaga ng sobrang huli-huli niya yung vibe ng series. Kung napanood nyo na yung trailer, I'm sure maiintindihan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Yan, pero maliban doon, it's really making us wonder what the story is all about. Apart from sa mga nakita na natin dun sa trailer, sa mga napanood na natin, sa mga pinatikim na sa atin, it's really interesting to see this poster para mas nakihikayat mo talaga siyang mapanood yung bagong series na to. Sobrang intriguing. Pero hindi lang yan, no? In order for us to truly feel immersed sa mundo ni Sol at Luna, ladies and gentlemen, let's see them in action.